जो हमारा टाइम था 10:30 बजे यहाँ आने का जी, लेकिन राजधानी 8:30 बजे ही निकल गई। यहाँ पे जैसे ही पहुंचे गाड़ी जा चुकी थी। ना कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन, ना कोई एडवांस में हमको बताया गया कि ट्रेन का टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा, और हमारी 23 टिकट चली गई। प्लस यहाँ से कोई प्रॉपर जवाब नहीं दे रहे, ना तो रिफंड की कोई बात कर रहे हैं।
कितनी टिकट है आपके पास?
23 टिकट है हमारी।
टिकट ऑनलाइन दिखा दीजिए।
ये चलेगा
और आज का भेजा गो ट्रिप पे।
Has done every year. Konkan Railway implements monsoon timetable, and that's effective from 15th of June to 20th of October. And it does every year. Konkan Railway implements this monsoon timetable, and we have implemented since today. Today is the 15th June, so this monsoon timetable has come into force since today. So all the trains originating from the originating point, the timings of these trains have been revised. So passengers are requested to kindly, and moreover, we had issued a press note last week wherein this has come in social media as well as in most of the newspapers. They have covered this press note saying that Konkan Railway will be implementing this monsoon timetable. So I request the passengers travelling by Konkan Railway trains to check their timings of the trains for which they have booked their tickets before undertaking their journey.
How many timings have changed? Trains?
Most of the trains timings have changed.
ओके सर, टायमिंग तिकीट बुकिंग जर पहिली झाली असते.
See, for those who have booked tickets, they get a message on the ticket saying that timings are going to change from 15th of June. It's printed on the ticket.
ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करता का कशी होत नाही.
For that also they get a message.
आज या इश्यूक लागून खंय तरी थिवी एक बोवाळ जालो पॅसेंजरांनी आवाज केलो, कितें सांगता?
See, this monsoon timetable has come into force since today, like odd hours of today. So I request passengers to check the timing of the train before undertaking their journey, and they should not panic.